what are the type of crimes that we as a country are not aware of, that we are not necessarily paying attention to? Let us listen to this clip by a police specialist.
What are the key crimes that organized syndicates are involved in? And what separates organized crime from just regular criminality, particularly in South Africa? How can we find clues that this is something deeper than just a random crime, for example?
Very sensitive question, once more. And there's organized crime which I will opt not to speak about.
Sure.
I'm raising kids, I have a wife and all that.
Yeah, sure.
But there's crimes that we don't pick as crimes. Let me give an example which I love to give to people. You have someone who has 10,000 illegal immigrants as their employee.